Hey guys, Hunter here with another interrupt. And so today I am in my little dome area, and I will be reversing. Dang, I always step too fast. 5 zombies, 5 skeletons, and oh my gosh, sharpness. And so I hate to make short videos, but since my thing sucks, I'm gonna have to. Nice. You don't say anything. Oops. You don't say anything. Oh. Oops. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now you and me all go away. 0. Come to Papa, where all of you die. Death, death, and more death. No. Oops, not good. One shot, everything. I think skeletons are one of the most annoying mobs in this game. What's hitting me? Come on, this is really annoying. Where's the skeleton? Oh my god. Dude, I'm literally gonna die. From the skeleton I can't see. Dude, where's the skeleton? I'm really... Wow, I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, don't tell me I'm gonna die. Dude, I survived the round, and now I'm gonna die. See, I'm more, oh, dying it. Hope you all enjoyed.